This is just an introduction. If you haven't gotten to dynamic arrays or really objects and classes yet, some of this might get lost on you, and that's okay. But if you need more information, you can look at my advanced classes, notes, and playlist. When we're accessing values within a dynamic object, so again, we're using that new again. Same idea. This means it's an item that's going to be on the heap, but this is an object. Notice this is a student. It's not integer, float, whatever. We actually end up using which looks like an arrow, to access the different parts, the data members, the functions within the object. Now, it's not very different than what the dot was that we used before when we used the stack array. Same idea, but the arrow is a dead giveaway that we're using a heap variable. We're also going to use and talk more about when we're using our resource acquisition is initialization plan. We're going to try to allocate resources in the constructor, and that's mean allocate memory from the heap, and we're going to deallocate resources in the deconstructor. That makes sense, right? The deconstructor is going to be one of the last things that are done. Again, for those of you who've had this yet. So that's what's going to happen. We're going to follow this plan when it comes to establishing areas to allocate and establishing areas to deallocate. But again, the other part is about the access using our arrows instead of dots.